Hey guys, so I have this computer. The problem with this computer is the light is stuck on CPU and DRAM. So see, CPU and light on, it don't move, nothing. I know this is a BIOS issue, but the problem with this computer is there is no BIOS flashback and any other option to do the BIOS flash. So there is no special port, USB port to flash the BIOS or flashback BIOS button, and this is AMD. In order to flash BIOS, I have to have a third generation CPU, and I have to buy. I don't have, so right there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace this motherboard and see the one I got will fix the issue. So hold on a minute. I'm going to do motherboard replacement right here. What I got today. I got this because this have a BIOS flashback button. So this have a BIOS flashback button right there. I'll open it, I'll show you. I'm not sure why this happened to AMD. Always AMD, not with the Intel. You can have an old BIOS but it still runs. This AMD special. So I do have to take out the CPU. AMD, like all other video, I say make sure you line up to this triangle and clean this up. So this is Ryzen 5500. So now I'm going to take everything out from here. I have to send this back down because I have to go through here. Because this is a mini ATX. The one that I just got is a full ATX. So I need more room here. I think I need to figure out how I can manage it. I need to change this IO power. I do need to put some of the stand-ups, and I need to remove this stand-up. One more. So I'm going to put the 1224 pin to be, no, I'll put that at the end after I test everything. But that one is very hard to take it off. So now this is the weird part. I have to make sure it's not going to fall, because if it falls then we'll do in ourselves. When I do that, I'm going to put the thermal paste. Oh, you know what? I need to put the hard drive first. I usually put this when my motherboard is outside of the case, easy to align. Otherwise a pain in time. So I need to move that, and I cannot move it. I cannot. That sucks. This shit happens all the time. Shit. They don't have a stand-up for the hard drive. So I just put it as it is. So let's see now. I'm going to put the thermal paste. Now I have to be very creative. Take this out. This is the old one. This is the new one. I'm going to unplug it and hold it on the bottom. I'm not sure you can see it or not, but my hand is on the pushing up. And then what I do is this. So I have that. I take this now. This is too tight. Cables are way too tight. So I'm not sure you can see. I'm going to cut all of these zip tie that they had. I can work, and then I can zip tie back again and push it from here, and this one, and this one from here, this one also from here. Now I need to first plug this thing, CPU fan. This is a USB, so I want you to see. This USB can go right there. If we can push it like this. This fan, I can bring it from here. I think that will be better if I bring it from here. So let me move it. Right. Bring it from that side. Now, this one, power lead plus and minus right here on front. Now reset switch goes right there, and the power switch right in front of this HDD LED will go right behind the power lead. That is tough to put, so I need to take this thing out, put that there, and then put it back. These two go right there. Now I can pull this push this down so we can organize it later. Now I have a fan connector. I have one fan here, two fan here. So these two fan I can read out somewhere else. It's not going to be here. Just the audio. Push this down. Go south. So now I have to put the fan and then we can test. So this fan I can push it through. Okay, I need to cut this thing. Okay. So I have two fans. One can go right here and another can right next to front panel. That's done. I can organize this shit later. Now let's put the car pushing from here. I don't think I can reach unless I can put this. Well, the major component I forgot to put, so memory boot. So you can see, I'll show you the boot now. I'm going to put half so you can see. So this is good now. All I have to do is organize the cable. In the meantime, I'm going to update the BIOS. So this BIOS version is 3611. So that's good. I'm going to organize the cable. It turn on. So once more. Alright. Let's see. So this is good. I need to get the BIOS, correct BIOS, and update it. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I will show you again next video something new. Thank you.